Jaswant.
My name is Vaishnavi.
My name is Sivakirti.
States and capitals.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar; Assam, Despur; Bihar, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bengaluru; Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Impal; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Maizbai; Nagaland, Kohima; Odisha, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Rajasthan, Jaipur; Sedgame, Gangtok; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agartala; Uttarakhand, Dehradun; Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow; West Bengal, Kolkata.
Districts in Karnataka.
Districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Ballari; Bidar; Bengaluru Rural; Bengaluru Urban; Belagavi; Chamarajnagara; Chikkaballapura; Chitradurga; Dakshina Kannada; Davangere; Dharwad; Gadag; Hasan; Haveri; Kalburgi; Kodagu; Kolar; Kompala; Mandya; Mysore; Ramnagara; Raichur; Shivamogga; Tumkur; Udupi; Uttara Kannada; Vijayapura; Yadgiri.
Four Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rigveda; Yajurveda; Samaveda; Atharvana Veda.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu; Grishma Rutu; Varsha Rutu; Sharat Rutu; Hemanta Rutu; Shishira Rutu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar months: Chaitra; Vaishakha; Jyeshtha; Ashada; Shravana; Bhadrapada; Ashwija; Kartika; Margashira; Pusha; Magha; Falguna.
Colors in rainbow.
Colors in rainbow: violet; indigo; blue; green; yellow; orange; red.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya; Kurma; Varaha; Narasimha; Vamana; Parshurama; Brahma; Krishna; Buddha; Kalki.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury; Venus; Earth; Mars; Jupiter; Saturn; Uranus; Neptune.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia; Africa; Europe; North America; South America; Antarctica; Australia.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra; Ganga; Godavari; Indus; Kaveri; Krishna; Mahanadi; Narmada; Periyar; Tamilabari; Vaigai; Yamuna.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals: Ganesha Chaturthi; Navaratri; Dasara; Deepavali; Mahashivaratri; Christmas; Eid; Holi; Moharram; Good Friday.
Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka: Kuvempu; Da.Ra Bendre; Srivaram Kalanan; Masti Venkatesh Iyengar; V.K. Gokal; U.R. Ananthamurthy; Girish Karnad; Chandrasekhara Kambara.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism; Islam; Christianity; Sikhism; Buddhism; Jainism; Parsi.
Indian monuments.
Indian monuments: Agra Fort; Ajanta Caves; Charminar; Gateway of India; Golden Temple; Gol Gumbaz; Hampi Temple; Iron Pillar; Jama Masjid; Khajuraho Temple; Lake Palace; Mysore Palace; Qutub Minar; Red Fort; Taj Mahal.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India: Durgabai Deshmukh; Aruna Safali; Sujata Kripalani; Kittur Rani Chennamma; Keladi Chennamma; Vanake Obava; Vijayalakshmi Pandit; Sarojini Naidu; Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan; Bangladesh; Bhutan; China; Myanmar; Nepal; Sri Lanka; Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Parts of speech.
Parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Main agricultural products of India.
Main agricultural products of India: rice, jute, wheat, sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee, milk.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Five sense organs.
Five sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivas Ramanujan, C.V. Raman, Homi Bhabha, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Meghnad Shah, Satyendranath Bose, Anu Koknekar, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Great leaders of India.
Great leaders of India: Mahatma Gandhi ji, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar, Mother Teresa, Narendra Modi.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Bengali, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
7 continents of the world.
Seven continents of